In this quick review video, we're going to talk about fractional exponents. So a fractional exponent is just another way of writing a root, such as a square root. So if we have 1 over b exponent, that's the same as the bth root of x. So we're going to rewrite the following as an exponent. Right, the square root is the special one where we don't put the number here, but the number is 2. So this is the same as being raised to the 1 over 2 power. And then we have our exponent rule, so we can multiply these two together. And this is the same as a to the 5 halves. So a to the 5 halves, the square root of a to the 5th are the same thing. I got b to the 2 thirds. Right, again, the 1/3 part, I'm going to separate out from the whole number part. And the root part, I can turn into a cube root. All right, so anything on the bottom of a fraction in an exponent is going to turn into a root. What about with numbers? 36 to the 1/2. The 1/2 power is this kind of special one, which is the square root. And the square root of 36 is 36. Right, 81 to the 3/4. Again, I kind of want to separate out these two different parts of my exponent. One's kind of a whole number 3. One's the fraction part 4. I'm going to separate them out. Right, 81 to the 1/4 is the 4th root of 81. I'm looking for something that I multiply by 4 times to get 81, and that happens to be 3. All right, so this is 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81. And then 3 cubed is 3 copies of 3 is 27. All right, so fractional exponents. All right, just remember they're just another way of doing roots. And with roots, you're just trying to look for the value you multiply by to get that answer.